కాంట్రాక్టర్ గారు ఇది నేను ఆడుతుందంటారా? కాంట్రాక్టర్ గారు ఇది నిగనిగలు ఆడుతుందంటారా?
కాంట్రాక్టర్ గారు నిగనిగలు ఆడుతుందంటారా?
అందరూ ఒకే క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతున్నారు కానీ ఇక్కడ ఏషియన్ పెయింట్స్ యొక్క గ్లోబాక్స్ పెయింట్. ఇంకో ఆలోచనే అవసరం లేదు. వెంటనే మీ ఫోన్ నుంచి ఒక మిస్డ్ కాల్ ఇవ్వండి. 9912 400 2.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Okay. No problem. Combinations. For example,
1 more minute, sir. I'll be back.
okay, okay.
Yes, sir. I'm back. Sorry.
No problem. Combinations means, for example, out of 100 players, this selection committee of BCCI, you know BCCI?
Yes, sir.
Bharat Cricket Control. BCCI,
Yes, sir.
yeah, Bharat Cricket Control. ICC, yeah, ICC, BCCI, something like that. That committee selects 11 players from 100 players or so. Simple example, if you are offered 4 brands of chocolates, you are offered 4 brands of chocolates and you are asked to select 2 of them out of 4 brands of chocolates. You are asked and you are offered to take 2. What is your choice? What are the options before you? That is,
I'll ask them if we can take all the 4.
all the chocolates. Okay. What are the options? A, B. You can take A, B.
Yes, sir.
Next,
Or B,
A, C.
C.
Let's
Yes.
go in an order.
A. Yes, sir.
So,
AD.
so no option, no selection is missed. Yeah, next
Yes.
AD.
AD.
So all with the combination of A completed.
Yes, sir.
Now with
Then
the combination of B, BC,
BC and BD.
BD, and CD.
Yes.
How many? 1, 2,
2, 3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5, 6.
6.
See, with A combination, how many selections are there with combination of A?
3, sir.
How many selections are there with combination of B?
2, sir.
How many selections are there with combination of C?
1.
Right. See, actually, these are 4 things. Out of 4 things, 2 things are selected. Okay. So the process, the mechanism, the formula is 4 factorial. Total number of things are 4 factorial. By out of 4, 2 things are to be selected.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But these 2 things are need not be arranged. That means AB is one selection and the selection BA is not different from the selection AB. A and B, B and A, both the same selections. I have a pen and a pencil. I have a pencil
Yes.
and a pen. Both
Yes,
are
sir.
same.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I have a car and bangla. I have a bangla and a car. Both are same statements. There is no
Yes.
difference in it. Okay. There is no sense if saying first thing so and second thing so and so. Okay. In
Yes.
literally also, in general also, there is no difference. That's why selection of AB and selection of BA are not different, same. That's why
Yes.
we need not list another selection as BA. But in arrangements, if you need to arrange these 2 letters, AB is one arrangement and BA is another arrangement. These 2
Yes.
arrangements are different arrangements. So that means we are placing 2 things. We are placing 2 things. There are 2 ways. One way is placing AB and another way is placing BA. These are 2 different arrangements. But in case of combination, that means in case of selections, both are same. So
Yes.
coming to the formula, total number of things are 4 things. Out of 4 things, 2 things are selected. These 2 things need not be arranged. That means we need not place those things at somewhere. Okay. So these 2 things are need not be arranged. That's why the total value is divided by 2 factorial.
Yes, sir.
So the number of how to find the number of ways of selecting 2 things out of 4 things is 4 factorial by 4 minus 2 whole factorial into 2 factorial.
Perfect.
Please tell how many ways are there to select 3 things out of 10 things by using this process, this calculation
10
formula.
10
Yes, it
factorial
is 10 factorial
by 10 minus 3 factorial
10 minus
times
3 factorial
3
into 3 factorial, right? Yeah, in this
Yes.
calculation, let us learn one thing. How many ways are there? How many ways are there to select 7 things out of 10 things?
10
You
factorial.
will notice, you will understand one special formula, special fact in combinations by observing this example, by taking note of this example. See, tell it is 10 factorial by
10 factorial by 10 minus 7 times 7
3
factorial.
factorial.
Yes, sir.
As you said, 10 minus 3. Okay. Let's write 10 minus 7 factorial, right?
Whole times 7 factorial.
10 times, okay. 10 minus 7 factorial. Next,
7 factorial.
yeah, 7 factor. Have you noticed that both are same?
Yes, sir.
Both are same. Because 10 minus 3 is nothing but 7. 10 minus 3 whole factor is 7 factor, okay? But
Yes.
let us simplify them. What is the simplification? 10 factorial by 7 factorial into 3 factorial.
3 factorial.
This is 10 factorial by 3
3
factorial into 7 factorial.
times 7 factorial.
Agree? Both are same, right? That means you have a list of 10 friends. You have a list of 10 friends. Okay. You are decided to invite 3 of them to a party or some party. That means, see one thing, inviting 3 friends means not inviting 7 friends.
Yes.
Number of ways of inviting 3 persons is same as rejecting number of ways of is same as rejecting seven things or 7 persons.
Yes.
Out of 10.
Yes.
Out of 10, selecting 3 means rejecting 7.
Yes, sir.
That means number of ways of selecting 3 is exactly equal to number of ways of not selecting. That means rejecting 7.
Yes.
That's why selecting 3 out of 10 things, selecting 3 things is also equal to selecting 7 things. Now tell another example. For example, if you have 12 things. Out of these 12 things, you need to select 4 things. It is also equal to selecting 4 things out of 12 things is also equal to selecting
8 things.
8 things.
Not selecting 8 things.
Of course. Yeah. Selecting 4 things means not selecting 8 things. That's why the value of selecting 4 things is also equal to selecting 8 things. In mathematics, there is no difference between them. Choosing mathematical sense is choosing only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Choose to select or choose to reject. In the sense of mathematics, both are same. In real life, they have opposite meaning.
Yes.
In real life, it has opposite meaning. But in case of mathematics, in the sense of mathematics, choosing 4 and not choosing 8, both are equal. See,
Yes.
coming to the point, there is a special symbol. To say about this process. This process in mathematics is called selecting 2 things out of 4 things is called 4C2. This is called 4C2. 4 is upper index, 2 is lower index. 4 is the left side top index. 2 is the right side down index. This is called 4C2. C means selection, first letter of combination. See, it is 4C2. 4C2 means selecting 2 things out of 4 things. 4C2.
Yes.
What is its name? 10?
Oh, 10C7?
3.
Sorry, 3.
Yeah, 10C3 is also equal to 10C7.
10C7.
10C3 is also equal to 10C7. Can you tell what's the number of ways of selecting number of ways of selecting R things from N things? As per definition, technically, what's the symbol for it?
C.
Selecting R things from N things.
NCR.
Very good. NCR. Some authors use this symbol as CN, R because typing convenience. For typing convenience, this symbol is also accepted in the user.
Yes.
So it is NCR. What is formula for NCR?
NCR equals n factorial by n
Very
minus
good.
r
N factorial by n
times
minus r factorial times r factorial.
R.
It is a very, very basic concept, very important concept. NCR means n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. NCR means n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Okay, right. Here, one thing we understand. That is 10C3 is equal to 10C7. 10C3 is equal to 10C7.
Because 7 plus 3 equals
Yes,
10.
yes, you are right. Where 3 plus 7 is equal to 10.
Yes.
Okay. And in case of letters, NCR is equal to NCS. NCR is equal. Let's write the formula process in this in a row. Is there any option for me from my side to erase all at once? Okay, there is an option, but part of it is not possible. See, the first formula is selecting R things from N things is NCR. Its formula NCR is equal N factorial by N minus
N
R
minus
factorial
R factorial
into R factorial.
into R factorial.
Very good. Now, the third point is NCR is equal to NCS. Whenever NCR is equal to NCS,
R plus S equals
very
N.
good. R plus S is equal to N. Okay. R, sometimes R is equal to S. Because these are numbers, these are not numbers, variables. We cannot say variables, they are equal or not equal. So NCR is equal to NCS means either R plus S is equal to N, or either R plus S is equal to N, or N is equal to S. Got it?
Yes.
Very good. Now let's move to the next concept. That concept is, it is a special formula. Is there some party or something like that in the house?
Me, sir.
Yeah.
My neighbor. Today's Thursday, right? So
Any
we.
vratam? Just like vratam?
No, sir. Nothing like that. Today's Thursday, so me and my father fast today, like every Thursday. So there's like, we broke our fast, so she cooked something. So she invited the neighbors to come home and eat. So
Yeah. Why do Americans like Coke much?
pork much?
Coke like
Coke?
that. Drink.
Oh, Coke, soda. Because the summers over here are too high. So
You
they
know,
need.
yeah.
So in order to like, whenever they go out or something, it's the Coke that's everywhere, which they
Okay.
don't have any. And also the formula is from here, so they usually get you addicted for that taste.
You know, CEO of Pepsi company, some name is from Indian only. I don't know. I know. Yeah, that person. Pepsi CEO and Google CEO and Microsoft.
Pepsi is from India, sir.
No,
Pep-
American company. International.
Yes, sir. Yeah, Pepsi is here, but yeah, I got what you were telling me about.
Yeah, that name is, that lady. Lady is from India.
Yeah.
Yeah, when in biography, it is written that every time whatever she takes, there must be a drink of Pepsi should be on her table. Yeah. Yes.
The Atlanta has the formula for Coca-Cola. So everyone just came, every American just came over there. So everyone just is used to Coca-Cola because they think that it's their nation's drink.
Some say that Coca-Cola available in India is not so tasty or not so good as that is available in America. Is it true? There is much difference.
I mean, there's difference. Yeah, there is difference because here they don't sell us in the bottles and all that. There's nothing bottles. You know how they have the cool drink that they walk and they drink? It's something like that. So maybe the container that changes and the production. You know how the Indian production and here it's difference. Maybe it's a little bit of carbonation difference.
Yeah,
That's it.
that's like that. NCR plus NCR minus 1. Observe this formula carefully. Top indexes are same. Lower index are with the difference 1 only. This is NCR, this is NCR minus 1.
R plus R minus 1 equals N?
Now it is equal to n plus 1 CR. The formula, for example, 9C3 plus 9C2. 9C3 plus 9C2 is equal to 10C3. 9 equal 3. Do difference is only 1 for lower index.
Yes, sir.
Then it is 1 added to top index, upper index,
Yes, sir.
and the bigger lower index value is taken.
Yes.
Tell what is 100C25 plus 100C24.
200 C.
No. Just 1 is added. 9
Sorry,
becomes 10.
Sorry.
101.
101.
Right?
101 C25.
C
25.
25, right? Now, the next formula. NCR by NCR minus 1 is equal to N minus R plus 1 by R. N minus R plus 1 by R. Okay. Let's go to some questions. See, I think you can solve it. Try. Have you noted or have you took screenshot of those formulae?
Didn't write the last formula, sir, but I'll do it in the end of the class.
Okay, right.
So 15 C3R equals 15 CR plus 3. That equals is it 16 C3R? Sorry. No.
No, it is not. See,
R.
see, observe first formula. Observe third formula.
1 second. Yes, sir. Okay, yes, sir. I got it.
Third formula, okay. What does third formula says? Okay.
NCR equals. Yes, sir. The previous one. So 3R equals R plus 3.
Yeah, R plus 3. Yes, you are right.
3R equals R plus 3.
Right.
3R minus R equals 3. 2R equals 3. 3R equals R plus 3. So we do 3R equals R plus 3, right?
Okay.
So 3R minus R equals 3, no, sir?
See, we have
2R
the formula.
R equals
Let me
3.
write this formula again here. Then onwards, you can do it easily. That formula is.
Oh, sir, it's option 1, sir. I didn't see the answer.
CC.
Is it?
NCR is equal to NCS. NCR is equal to NCS. That means either R plus S is equal to N or R is equal to S. Let us check for the second option. What is second option? Second option says 3R is equal to R plus 3. Okay, that's why you got 3 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Of course, yes, but N and R never be a fraction. N and R always integers that are positive integers. N and R are positive integers only. Whenever you get non-integers, that means 3 by 2 is called non-integer. Whenever you get non-integer, just reject that solution. Positive integers. So we need to find another solution for it. Because
Yes.
R is equal to S is not possible in this case. Of course, in some cases, R is equal to S also gives a possible, a good result, but it is a bad result. R by taking R is equal to S gives has given a bad result. Now take this option. R plus S is equal to N means R plus S. What is R plus S here?
R plus 3, sir.
No. What is R? The total part is
Yeah.
R. The total
Yes.
part is S.
Yes, sir.
R plus S means 3R plus
3R plus R equal.
R plus 3 is equal to 15.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah,
Got it.
solve it now.
4R plus 3 equals 15. 4R
Okay.
equals
4R plus 3 is equal to 15.
Yes, sir. 4R equals
4R is
12.
equal
12. R equals 3, sir.
That's right. So which option is correct now?
Option 2, sir.
Yeah, very good. Have you understood clearly now?
Yes.
So what is formula for NCR is equal to NCS?
R plus S equals N or R equals S.
Right, very good. Let's move to the next question. See, and the formula used in this solution is to solve this question, we must know,
Sir, I think we did this question, sir.
you know,
We did this. Yes, sir. We did this type of questions.
yeah, answer. Do you remember answer?
I don't know, sir. It's either 18C5 or 18C4, I
Yeah,
guess,
exactly.
sir.
Do you remember the formula in it?
Sir, we substitute the J in something and then we write the 4.
Right. That is, formula is NCR plus
NCR plus
NCR minus 1 is equal
R minus 1 equals
N plus 1
N plus 1 CR.
CR. Very good. See this. The number of ways in which a team of 11 players can be selected from 22 players. If the question stops here,
The answer will be 11C.
yeah.
Sorry, 20.
If only if the question stops here, that means if there is a full stop and the question stops, if the problem stops there, answer is 11C, sorry, 22 out of 22.
22C11.
22C11. If the question stops here at this stage, but it is not stopped here, including 2 of them. And sorry, if the question stops here, if the question stops there, the answer is 22C11. If the question is extended and stops here, that means including 2 persons. That means out of these 22 persons, 2 persons are recommended players.
Yes, sir.
So those 2 persons must be selected.
Yes, sir.
Irrespective of their talent.
Yes, sir.
So including 7 means selecting only 9 members. Because 2 players have already been selected.
Yes, sir.
Technically.
Yes, sir.
So we need to select 9 persons out of 22 persons. Not 20 persons, out of 20 persons.
Yes.
Out of 20 persons, 9 persons only selected.
Yes,
Because
sir.
those 2 persons are not in the process, not in the calculation. Because they have already selected. So selectors have the choice of selecting 9 persons out of 20 persons only. If the question stops here, but the question doesn't stop here. The question extends and ends here. What does it mean? Excluding 4 of them. Excluding 4 of them. Out of 22, 4 players should not be selected.
Yes, sir.
Out of 20 persons, 4 persons should not be selected. So the
Yes.
selectors have the list 1, 2, 3, so on 19, 20, 21, 22. Selectors have the list of these 22 players. Okay, right. So selectors should notice those persons and take them off. That means, for example, this person and this person, this person, this person.
Yes.
So they need to strike up their names. Those 4 names. Okay. Now the selectors need to select players
20.
out of 18 out of 18 persons only.
Oh, 2 are, yes, sir. Got it.
Yeah, out of 18, 2 persons are already selected.
Yes.
And that means the selectors needs to select out of 16 persons only.
Yes.
Out of 16 persons, how many persons are to be selected?
11, sir.
Only 11. No. Of course 11, but 2 persons have already selected without process.
9, sir, then.
9. Actually, out of 22 persons, see, out of 22 persons, 4 persons are need not 4 persons should not be selected. So the selectors are given only 18 names.
Yes, sir.
The selectors feel they are given only 18 names, not 22 names.
Yes.
But in those 18 names, 2 persons are to be should be selected.
Yes, sir.
2 persons should be selected.
Selected.
That means out of these 18, only selection should be done out of 16 persons only.
Yes, sir.
Actually, yeah, actually 11 players are to be selected, but here in this particular question, only 9 persons are to be selected, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why the answer is
16C 9.
okay. Means,
But there's no option 16.
yeah, good question. 16C9 is not there.
Oh, printing mistake, sir.
No, not printing mistake. See, in the beginning,
Oh, it has a doppelganger, so we have to change it.
10C3
Sir.
in the beginning, 10C3 is equal to 10C7.
Yes, sir.
In the beginning, 10C3 is equal to 10C7 because 3 plus 7 is 10.
Yes, sir.
3 plus 7 is 10. That means 10 is equal to 3 plus 7.
So 16C 7, sir.
Yeah, it is equal to 16C
7.
7. Answer?
Option 2, sir.
Yeah, option 2. Very good. What about this question?
The number of ways that volleyball 6 can be selected out of 10 players so that 2 players are included is.
Can you try?
10C4, sir.
Just wait. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, see. Can you see the question now?
Yes, sir.
The number of ways that a volleyball 6 can be selected out of 10 players so that 2 particular players are included. How many persons are to be selected?
6, sir.
6 persons are to be selected. 2 particular players are included. That means how many persons are to be selected?
4, sir.
4 only, right? Out of out of 10 players or 8 players?
8 players, sir.
Yes, out of 8 players, only 4 players are to be selected.
So 8C4.
Yeah, because already 2 persons are selected. So 8C4 is same as 8C4. Yeah, how to find 8C4? 8 factorial by
8 minus 4, 4
factorial
factorial times 4 factorial.
and 4 factorial, right?
4
What's the
factorial
value of
goes
8 factorial? 8 into
8 times, 7 times, 6 times, 5 times, 4 times, 3 times, 2 times.
4.
4
We can stop there.
factorial. Yes, sir.
Whole by 8 minus 4 means 4. 4 factorial is
4 times, 3 times, 2 times, 1, sir.
4 times 3
4
times
goes
2
in
times
2
1
times, 2 to cancel, 3 goes in 2 times.
into
2
this 4
times of
factorial is just 4
5.
factorial. We can cancel
Yes.
them.
4, 5, 5 so 20.
Now see, 4 times
So
2
it's
is
option 2, sir, 70.
4 times 2 is 8. 3 goes 2 times. The final result is 7 times 2 times
5, sir.
5. That is equal to
70.
70. Oh, option 2 is correct.
Yes.
Now, it is about a polygon. Can you give an example for a polygon?
Polygon or example, sir?
Pentagon.
Hexagon. Okay, pentagon.
Hexagon. Pentagon means having 5 sides.
5 sides.
Hexagon means having 6 sides.
6 sides.
Octagon, decagon. Okay.
10,
So
sir.
many. There are names for even for 1 lakh sides. Myriagon. I think Myriagon is having 10,000 sides. It is not possible to construct or.
So who's gonna draw it? So why do you have to name it, sir? Now that another guy will go up building that's a polygon and they'll ask me to find the area of it.
Okay.
Why do you wanna name it, sir? Why? It's
Yeah,
an extra work for me.
Yeah, the point is there. Without because as we are unable to draw or to construct 10,000 sides or 1 lakh sides, why there is a name for it? Yes.
Yes, sir. Why? It's waste of time. Like it's like my works. I want to be famous, but I don't know what to find. So I'll find another name for it. That's how easy the guy went.
Okay, right. See now. It is a triangle. How many diagonals that a triangle has? Number of diagonals for a triangle.
0, sir?
Yes, 0.
Oh, okay.
Number of diagonals for a quadrilateral.
2, sir.
Yeah. 1 diagonal, 2nd diagonal. Number of sides are 4. There is a smart formula to find number of diagonals. That is 4 into 1 by 2. In detail, 4 into 4 minus 3 by 2. In case of triangle, 3 into 3 minus 3 by 2.
3 into 3 minus
3 into 3 minus 3 by 2. 3 into 3 minus 3 by 2. 3 minus 3 value?
0, sir.
That's why triangle has 0 diagonals.
Yes.
Now, in case of hexagon, 6 sides are there.
6 times 6 minus
3 by 2.
Yes.
9 diagonals are there. In case of a pentagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In case of pentagon, how many diagonals are there?
5 times 3 by 2.
5 times 5 minus 3, 2.
2 by 2. Sorry.
Yeah.
5, sir.
5 diagonals are there. What are those 5 diagonals? See.
1, 2.
1, 2. Okay. Next. 3,
3,
4, 5.
5.
These are the 5 diagonals. Star came out of this diagonals only. Star. Star is nothing but drawing the diagonals of a pentagon.
The diagonals of
The
a
diagonals of
pentagon.
pentagon are drawn. Okay. Now the formula is the number of diagonals for a regular. The number of the number of diagonals for a regular polygon formula for that is n into n minus 3 n into n minus 3 by 2. It is the formula. The formula is n into n minus 3 by 2. Got it?
Yes.
Here, number of sides is asked. A regular polygon of n sides has 170 diagonals. That means n into
Oh.
n minus 3.
N
N into
minus
n minus
n
3.
minus 3 by 2 equals 170.
170, right?
Yes.
So straightforward method to find the value of n is n square minus 3n. Okay, n square minus 3n is equal to 340.
Into 340.
N square minus 3n minus 340 is equal to 0. N square minus 3n minus 340 is equal to 0. Got it?
Yes.
That means
We
how
solved
to
for
solve
n.
it? How to solve it?
Factorization.
Yeah, factorization. Find the numbers whose product is 340 and the difference is 3. Can you tell? Factors?
85. I don't know, sir. I'm trying.
You can.
14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, sir. 340, like 20 times
Times
17.
17.
Sir.
20 times 17. Right. Good. It is 20 times 17. That means n square
Square minus
minus
20
20n minus 17n
17.
minus
So
340
plus
is equal to 0.
17 and sir.
If factorization is not possible,
So plus 17 and
yeah, you can choose formula. There is a formula for it, you know.
so the quadratic formula.
Yeah, minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a.
Yes, sir.
So here factorization is possible. That's why we need not use formula. See, n common, n times of n minus 20.
So it's positive 17, sir.
Yeah, negative 17. Negative 17.
Sir.
Sorry. Positive 17. Positive 17.
Yeah.
Right. 17 times n minus 20.
Yes. N minus
That
20
means,
times n minus 17.
so n minus 20 times
N minus 17.
n plus 17 is equal to 0. Which means,
Answer is 20, sir.
yeah, either 20 or 17, you know.
Sir, but if
But yeah,
is
n is equal to 20 or minus 17. Minus 17 is ruled out because
yes,
n
sir.
and r must be always
Positive.
positive. That's why answer is 20.
Yes, sir.
But in objective questions, when multiple choice is there, we need not go through this process.
Oh, we can just substitute it and learn.
Just verification. Just verification.
Yes,
Take first
sir.
option.
Oh, 12 times 12 minus 3 by 2, sir.
Yeah, is it 170?
No, sir.
Yeah.
So why? I came to know the answer, sir. Of course, it will not be the answer.
Yeah. What about 17?
17 times 17 minus 3 by 2. 119, sir.
119. So option B is wrong.
Yes, sir. Option
Next up.
3 is only correct, sir. Satisfies everything.
Because we know the answer previously. If you don't know the answer,
Sir.
we can use this method, right?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Let's move to the next question. If NC3 equal to NC9, what's the result? Before
12C2.
Before moving to the next word, that is NC2, just pass at the statement NC3 equal to NC9. What's the value of
12C2, sir. That's the answer.
How?
9 plus 3, you'll know the answer of n.
Yeah,
So
that's
n
good. That's good. The answer is, yeah, the question is 12C2. I would like to teach you one more easy method to find the value of 12C2. Actually, what is the process? Yeah, it is 12C2, right? How to find the value of 12C2? 12 factorial by?
12 factorial by 10 factorial times 2 factorial.
Very good. 10 factorial times 2 factorial, right? 12 factorial means 12 into 11 into 10
10
into
factorial.
9 into
So
8
10
into
factorial.
7 into 6 into 5 into 4
4
into
into 3 into 2
yeah.
into 1.
Before telling a shortcut, to make it it is a shortcut, we need to normal method as long as possible. It is
Yeah, we
12
should
factorial.
scare everyone with the actual one and show
10
the
factorial means
easiest way.
10
sir.
into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And then the 2 factorial is nothing but 2. That is 2 into 1. Now see, right from this 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6, all this is cancelled with this.
Yes, sir.
We'll
2
have to
gets
get
cancelled by 6 and it will be 66, sir.
66. Right. Answer is 66. Okay. Now the
I'll
short.
tell you the easy method, sir. I'll
Yeah,
tell you.
Tell.
So it's 12. We because we have 2 in the base, so we just have to write the 2 digits on top. So it will be 12 and the next digit over 2 over 1, which gives us the same as the result when we do it in the long process. So
Very
we just
good.
cancel out. So we get the answer as 66.
That's good. That's right.
Yes, sir. So answer is 66.
Yeah, very good. Very good. First of all, there is one quotation about the success. To succeed in any field, to get success in any field, we must like it. We must like that field. We must like that work, and we must like that task. We need to find fun in it. Okay. Do you have Insta account or Facebook account?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now, what about this? I think you know this because previously you told that was done.
Yes, sir, but I don't remember the 4. Which one is it applied to?
Yeah, this also to be done.
I remember doing this question too, but I don't know how. I forgot how to do the part from 4.
Okay, okay. See, how to use the word summation. What do you call this symbol in America?
Sir, I don't know, sir. We never came across that symbol here.
It is a Greek letter. It is a Greek letter. In Greek letter, in Greek, the name of that symbol is sigma. But in
Yes, sir.
mathematics, we call it summation or sigma also. Right.
Sir, do you know how you taught me about the union set and the intersection set?
Those are
My
not
sir,
Greek.
we never came across that topic, and we had a quiz online yesterday. I was doing the quiz. One of the question was, what is this symbol represent?
Yeah.
And if I was not in the class and I was just learning it from the teacher, I wouldn't be able to answer it. So half the time we don't even know what are they teaching us in the classroom.
Okay, okay.
So these things and all, I don't think they're ever gonna teach me, sir.
Yeah, there are so many things to learn. Mathematics is a ocean. We learn a single drop is known.
So and also I have this question I forgot to ask you.
Yeah.
If there's a graph, sir, they gave us a graph.
Yeah.
And there's a point -2, 1.
Yes.
No, sorry, -2, -1. Yeah. Okay. So from there, if the graph is going that way, sir, like that.
Yeah. This is graph. Okay.
Yes, sir, it's going like that. Oh, 1 second. If it's going like that, sir.
Yeah, right. Okay.
If they ask us what is the coordinate, ordered pair of that, How do we find the ordered pair, sir?
This is one order pair. -2, -1 is one order pair. And which order pair? And it is 0, 0.
Yes, sir.
And something like by seeing graph, we can find order pair of another points on it.
But then in the answer, sir, it's like a Kahoot. Do you know Kahoot, sir?
Yeah. What is?
Kahoot. So it's like it will give us options. We have to click on it and it will say if it's correct or wrong. It's like a game.
Yes or no questions. Yes or no questions, right?
Yes, sir. We have it like we just have to click on the multiple choice questions. We tried all the way, but the answer is not in the graph, sir. It's not even touching the thing.
Okay. Do you have screenshot or something like that?
No, sir. I just know that the point of it is not going through 6,3, but the answer is 6,3.
Yeah, it is because the diagram is not to scale.
Oh, but then there's no question, sir. It's just look at the graph below and answer the following. And the question is, what are the order pairs in the defined graph?
Okay.
And I didn't know what are the ordered pairs. Is ordered pair something like the point where they're intersecting and moving on, sir?
Okay. I'll check it. If you can,
So what?
if you can
Yes, sir.
write it description on a paper
Yes, sir.
and send it to
send
me.
it to you.
Definitely, I'll do it.
So what is an ordered pair, sir? How do we find an
Order pair, this is called -2, -1 is called an order pair.
Okay. Yeah.
Right? Okay?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Okay.
Tomorrow also we'll start exactly. I started at exactly 4:30.
Yes,
But
sir.
the connecting
It's-
process takes a couple of minutes.
So it's hardly today it's before 5:10. I mean, like 5:10.
5:10.
Before 4:40, sir, for you.
Yeah. Actually, I started. I sat before system exactly 4:30, but
Yes, sir.
connecting process took some minutes. Okay. Tomorrow, exact. I need to sit before the system just 5 minutes before it. 4:25. So that
Yes.
sharp we will start 4:30 sharp. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Just stay there for a few minutes if possible.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Right.
sir.